Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and this quick opening of a package from StrapsCo. Now, while I'll take out the bracelet and straps from StrapsCo, I just want to mention that I've started a partnership with StrapsCo. Go visit their website down below. They did send me these straps and bracelet in exchange for video, and they sent me a couple already that I'm gonna get into soon. So let's do this. Let's take them to the side and let's take one by one, starting with Dasari. I think this is a suede strap. I ordered them a while ago. They come from the US. I live in Sweden, so it takes a little time for the straps and stuff to come here. And yep, there we have a... Oh yeah, it's inside out. Yeah, and here we have kind of a... I think it's a canva or even a denim. Yeah, that's cool. That's nice. Gonna go fetch a watch soon to put this on. So this is supposed to be on a deployment clasp, I reckon. That's cool. I thought I was a bit confused. Yeah, that's neat. Maybe it goes on here. I'll see. Moving on. We also have my first ever bun strap that I ever had. Fiddly on camera, easy in real life, or, well, if you're better at doing stuff on camera than I am. So here we have a bun strap, and here we have the spring bars. How does this feel? That's a really cool color, isn't it? I thought it's gonna be redder, but I'm glad it's not. That's really cool. I'm gonna go grab a watch. I'm gonna pause this video soon. I'm gonna go grab watches, apart from these ones that I want the straps on. Here we have a Flieger, and I do have a Flieger here. The Jack Turner Maverick. Review coming soon. Hint, hint, plug, plug. And let's open this one up. Maybe not have it upside down will help. This is also Dasari. Dasari, I don't know if it's the StrapsCo's own brand or it's just a brand that they sell. There were spring bars. Yeah, and that's also nice. Quite a thick one. Feels like it's gonna break in nicely. Yeah, that's gonna look cool. Moving on. Here we have a dressy strap. I'm gonna go grab my Alato Arvet and put it on. Quick release. Nice, soft, very dressy. Nice little pattern. That's nice. And finally, we have a bracelet. And that is why the Alpinist is up there. My beloved Alpinist. Currently, my only Sarb in the collection. Those of you that have seen my videos before know that I love the Sarb series, but unfortunately, I had to sell the most of them last year. And here we go. Oh, they even wrapped the end links separately. That's a nice touch. And I've been curious about this clasp. Clasp is not two-tone. Guess you push it on the side. Folded. That doesn't bother me. A pretty neat mechanism there. Cool, so let's unwrap this one and let's put the straps on some watches. And I'll be right back. And we're back, and let's start with the Alpinist, the real Alpinist, the Sarbo 17. That turned out pretty nice, right? It feels suitable for a Seiko. Hollow end links, solid links with push pins. This interesting clasp situation. But Seiko links often feels like extremely articulated, and this feels fitting. It feels like it's supposed to be on there. Decent fit on those end links. I think I can get them better in position. That turned out nice. Let's put it on this side, and let's go from left to right. This one was already fitted on my Titan that's out of a battery. I'm gonna feature all watches soon in a state of the collection. I'm just waiting for another watch to arrive. That's a thick. It's called heavy padded, I think, and it sure is. The clasp I moved from the original. The quality needs breaking in a bit. Even in the padding, it seems to be. It's gonna break in nicely, so that's really nice. On my Van Banner Adroit GMT, I put this canvas and leather combination on it. And I usually don't like straps on this style of watches, diver style watches, but I think this turned out really, really nice, this combination. On my Jack Turner Maverick, I put the Flieger. Yeah, Jack Turner Maverick using a VH31 mecha quartz. If you're curious about that sweep, it sweeps 4 times a second, right? Yeah, and also this feels more premium, actually, this strap. Feels thicker, and there's like a nice matte feeling to it. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Alata Arvet got the dressy one. Works very well. The more vintage style almost of the King Seiko case with this textured. Yeah, I think it worked really well. The bunt on the Presidus review coming up. That's a perfect match. I didn't really see these marks on the pictures, or maybe I just missed them. So it looks kind of rugged. I think it suits the watch nicely. This is really soft, really soft. Nice quality, good hardware. The stitching looks really good, actually. It's, StrapsCo has some really wide range of straps and really reasonable prices. Now this canvas and leather combination, I didn't know which watch to put it on, so I just grabbed a with quick release. Just happened to be the DeMarco review coming soon. And I turned that one upside down. And that's also almost like a suede feeling on that leather. Really, really nice. And the inside of this strap, yeah, that's soft. The inside of this strap is super nice to the feel, so that's gonna be a really comfortable wear. Maybe it would fit better on something more fieldy. Best quick release and quick release, so I can just swap them easily. That's nice. Cool. Thank you so much, StrapsCo, for sending me straps and bracelet. I'm really gonna enjoy wearing them. Go to my Instagram, link down below, to see more pictures of these watches on these straps. And until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.